Hi, I'm Len Groom. Welcome to Tech Tips. Today we're talking about changing the chain case oil on your snowmobile. This is something that I recommend you do yearly because the oil can get used up and a chain and gears does make metal. I also recommend that you do this at the end of the season. That way when you get your sled out in the fall, it's ready to go. Here's a few steps on how to get that done. The first thing you need to do is locate the drain plug so that you can drain the old oil out. Remove the drain plug and take a look at the old oil as it comes out of the snowmobile. In this case, you can see that it's silver. Silver means that the chain and gears has made some metal and the oil is used. Replace the drain plug. Make sure that you get it tight. Make sure that the gasket is good. At this point, we need to put the new product into the chain case. So remove your fill plug. The location of the fill plug can vary from snowmobile to snowmobile. On this model, it's located right in the footwell. It's a good idea to put a rag down. Then we're going to go ahead and fill the chain case. Now with this sled, we know it's full when the product starts to run out of the fill hole. That indicates that we've reached the max level. We can go ahead and replace the fill plug, wipe down the area, tighten it up. On some snowmobiles, there will be a designated amount of oil that you're going to add to the chain case. I recommend that you check your owner's manuals for proper quantity. There's a classic example of why you want to change that chain case fluid on a yearly basis. If you noticed when it was draining out of the snowmobile, it had that silver tint to it. That indicates that there's some metal in there. That's perfectly normal. A chain and gears is going to make some metal. What you don't want is you don't want to leave it in there year after year and that metal starts to snowball and you can see wear start to occur. It can lead to a costly repair. So we recommend that you change that on a yearly basis. And when you change it, I recommend that you use the AMSOIL chain case and gear oil. There you have it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.